Hello, I'm Kathleen Arola-Johnson of Creative Solace Studios. In this video, I would like to introduce you to my product review series of videos and let you know why I'm creating them. This channel is about art and wellness, and through the years, there have been some products that help me in those two realms of my life. For example, particular art supplies or health and wellness related products. Under the umbrella of wellness, I'm all about self-care also. Taking care of your mind, your body, your spirit, nourishing and replenishing yourself so you feel great. There are many paths to self-care. A couple of things that I like to do besides making art as a path to self-care are cooking and gardening. So if you see some product reviews on here and wondering why they're here or how they're connected to me, in some way in my mind, most likely I've connected them to art, health, and wellness. So that's what this product review series of episodes is all about.